Wale Music TV. Si you subscribe ma share so no subscribe. If you na click bell no do na the video bia tuma. I want the first person bo share. If you na drop a comment so Wale Music TV ya Shatta Wale ni TV ya more Shatta Wale ni news. Na update everything be your friend Shatta Wale who be won saba come with them platform do. Into bo more than subscribe na share. No better than I was still who edmede ye do Wale Music TV. Shatta Wale ni video le trend. E be nim de me video le trend na. Yen hwe video ye wi a na ko Facebook another Instagram full video ho na ehun some of chọ fa ho am video no le trend pa. Nti yen hwe video im bra e wi a na ko Facebook say bo Shatta Wale another Shatta movement a video ndo do so but e bo de me video wo ho a wa ma le trend pa. The man na ko Instagram nebo Shatta Wale another Shatta movement a obo de full video ho video ndo do so ba full video ho a ehun some of chọ fa ho am video no le trend pa. Nti yen hwe video im bra but one more than subscribe to the channel daily.
For God, how many times will you show me? Tell me, say you be this and that. Too many times will you lie to the people? Say your pocket the fat. See what that they do. You don't have a clue. Oh no, different me, different you. Injuto different susu. Dana okebate. Inchebo obako. Oh no, you are go jako. That is you don't want claim. You still they fight for fame. So you know the shame. You know the shame. As you see Shatta the red. What did you get for the hate? 18. Who say me Shatta Wale go there? I go continuous busy for the face. Satan company run for the place. Your boy don't get space. Now everything change. Shatta Wale. Everything change. Hey. No need a back in the days when you play with your thing and your thing straight. When you charge 3K, 4K. Your highest just be 10K. 10K. Oh my money. You try for your bank, say you know they say. Yeah, the homo you will beg me later. Because you know they pay. My guy go straight. Knowing how you go do this track. I just suspect this lyrics from Big Black. My G. These days are the shock when you think to what? Go back. Make you not that. If I go start school again, we stay and chalk. Who's the As I just reach London where I say, you know, everybody you put it there, you do like, I do it. Come up for it. Mupe masem. If you don't say mupe masem, show me your lighter. Mupe masem. Sometimes what I want to tell people, we say, you see this Shatta Wale policy for you know, say me, That's why I say, what I want make people feel, and see what I bring come here. Are you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I tell people say, you know, when you are not careful, you get into a midst of people that are negative people, and they go waste your time. You understand me? Me nobody waste my time for you. You understand me? Shouts, man, I'm in London. All those who they talk say, if Shatta Wale don't go fit travel, if Shatta Wale, Jimmy was here for. Every day they talk say Ghana be village. Somebody go there and say, why Shatta? It's a village. It's a village. Because Ghana, we like talk things we don't even get evidence. And every day Ghana, I mean in your opinion, if I be informed opinion, informed, when you're somebody they do arguments about phone, iPhone, where you tell the person, oh, this be you for know why you talk about the iPhone. Don't come and talk, say iPhone, yam day inside, and they go if you cook banco for inside. And because of that live subset, if you do text message, because yeah. What do you mean to do? What do you mean to do? Whenever I think about the thing, I say like, hey, Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah, Ghana. Like, what do you mean to do? You know what I mean? Sometimes, if you have informed opinion before you can talk when people are talking. Don't come and tell me say you know Shatta Wale, we need a Shatta Wale, we don't know Shatta Wale, we need a Shatta Wale, so you know Shatta Wale. Come on for that, you don't know Shatta Wale. Shut up there, and raise up your hand and put your hand in the eye. Like this. Potin. I'm in London, my nigga. London is a place where me I grow for. You understand me? So I get friends, I get mates, I get family. My family from here. You understand what I'm saying? Project every day, this is me ask my family. Me I travel for my kid time. I travel where I don't like travel. Because sometimes I want to travel, it can be very distinct. You understand me? Don't be there and then you be comparing me to certain things. Man, nigga, we all grow differently. You get what I'm saying? People they like talk too much. You understand me? I even see my girl, everybody they tell hey, the one they fall in love. What's ya? Like make I don't fall in love, make you fall in love. What's ya? Wait me on. What's ya? You did they like to my every day, no people fall in love. What's ya? Like make I did make I what's ya? Make I did make I do like I be bachelor. What's ya? About that? What's ya? You know this one. What's ya? Hey, one way me and the work. For years, we was everywhere. Like, what's yeah? What are you talking about? What's yeah? Come on, there. And somebody and Shatta Wale's new girlfriend and she told what's yeah? Who does it my new? Yeah, who now own a new? Mikitano long time pioneer. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I can't do that like this. Shatta Wale for what's yeah? What is it? What's yeah? What's yeah? What do you know? I in a village, what's ya? What bold and pa? Don't see. Make I tell if you be some artist in fan, where they my page. I dey tell you this today. You see this guy you see for here. He know that thing. What's ya? I dey see the thing. What's ya? If you say what? What's ya? Abuata. What's ya? Forget everything I dey talk. Me if I talk say Ghana be village, it me the way I know the reason. Because me I'm from Accra, near British Accra. The city of Ghana is where they born me from. They born me for police hospital. What's ya? What do you want to tell this guy? What's ya? You don't know anything for Accra person. What's ya? Come on with it. What's ya? What about now? What's ya? Then Shatta Wale, then Shatta Wale. What's ya? You know what they do? What's ya? What about check what's ya? Come on, it be London there now. Where they can't do Ghana music, what's ya? People you no one put it for awards for Ghana. If I talk about problems and things they want do, what's ya? If you say this thing, better do about what's Ghana nonsense place where if you do award for then. Someone go come out gun, then they go arrest. Cause this is a good journey. Ghana is a village. Cause come up for it. The time when they talk about government, what president for do, what this one for do. Cause they talk say Shatta Wale, you know, because they go they do placards, they go cause come up for there. Jimmy, you are in a village. You people are in a village. Cause you want me to wear coat and tie. Guys, you know that the president, the economy is not trying, so let's try and cause I don't perceive because don't come and even come my what you see me when you come my space and go to cause no I what bow down. Be London and the London boy everybody see see from Manchester, Birmingham, see London, see everywhere. I say my mates there. If you say you Kobola boy for Ghana, the London Kobola boy, fuck that, this is the thing. How do you get that thing? God, your artist said in front of him, fly can London before. Now, as I perform, I will manifest. And then I will be a deep black one. Say, this is the thing. I be that I be artist to talk. You ready? You're going to talk about Shatta Wale and Shatta Wale. Yes. And Shatta Wale, they do drugs. Shatta Wale, they do this. And Shatta Wale, they do that. You don't get evidence, but you want to talk. I didn't see that thing. I always say that thing in me. Forget it. I be the most troublesome artist. I like him for Ghana because me, the troublesome you put the underline. No, it be the truth where they speak. I don't know say T, they worry you put T. So if you see any T, no, you only have troublesome. I just say that thing. Don't say it like that. But nigga, the day we did, this place where I did, you understand me? It be about work. And anybody will know me for my real life, not my music life, for my personal life. My businessman, I say me and that boy they tell everybody say, Get money. God first. Next, think about money. Finish. You see human beings, some of we fool human beings. Human beings that way God born themselves, they say no, they believe in God. What's how you go be survive? Why if you say they born you for polytank design, or they bring you out of well, or you have they can't born you, they put you for containers, like where they ship you for Egypt to China before you can catch Ghana. They ain't tell human being. See, you know they believe somebody they believe. You know one follow the person in talk and listen. Make money for yourself because see that time people they wasted. You did and Shatta Wale this and Shatta Wale. Because see how you catch him. Because see how see man let's get baby. Unni nyasa common sense only. You understand me? Because a life you dey live all be somebody in life where you want. Yeah, that's what I mean. I say if somebody they talk about opinion, tell the person say it has to be an informed opinion. Don't be a fool. Fool. P-I-H-E-D. Fool. Don't be a fool. Because when you're a fool, that's all I'm saying. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm in London right now, and I just want everybody to know, man, like, it's crazy here, man. It's a little bit chilly. Not too cold, you know, the weather not cold like that, you know.